Leraw is from GMA 7.
To GMA, thank you so much for all your love to Ricky, for your support, and to me and my family. Ricky has always loved to act, and siya nga yung, parang ang tawag siya yung talagang epitome ng artista. Hindi lang sa entablado, hindi sa television, at sa pelikula. Thank you so much. He was always so proud and so happy to be part of GMA, so this means a lot. Thank you for all your love and support to me and my entire family. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Sorry po at medyo humabang ating programa ngayong gabi. Now, everybody can have their dinner. Ando na po. Nag-aantay na po sa labas. Thank you so much for staying.